Hey guys, welcome back. Today I thought I'd do a Revolve haul. In a couple of days from when you see this, I'm off on a Revolve trip to Bermuda. If you're a follower of Revolve and you love their clothing, you may know that they do this amazing, huge, flamboyant trip to the Hamptons, or have done for the past few years. And I think I went to the Hamptons twice. It was amazing. This year they're mixing up and they're going to Bermuda, so I've been invited along. I'm really excited. They have kindly let me choose from the website, obviously things to wear on the trip. So they sent me the lookbook and this is everything that I chose. So I thought I'd do it as like a big haul for you guys. I mean, Revolve is a huge website. There are so many things on there. So I love watching Revolve Haul, seeing what other people have got. I thought they already shipped to the UK already, but they have a much easier system anyway in place now, so that anyone in the UK can get Revolve so much easier. So it's so exciting for us guys over here as well. Bear in mind, this is a sunshine holiday trip to Bermuda, so there's quite a lot of amazing swimwear in here and a few other sort of nighttime evening outfits. So can't wait to show you this, and I'll just get on with it, shall I? I'm gonna start off with the swimwear. I've got literally everything here, there's a lot. So I also wanted to get this haul up before I went to Bermuda, so that if you see any of these outfits on my Instagram and you love them, you can just come straight to this video and find everything again. I thought it would make it a little bit easier for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is throughout this, I'm gonna put pictures on the screen of the model so you can see exactly what it looks like on. Right, first bikini is from LPA and it looks like this bandeau style. It does come with a halter neck style strap. I'm probably just going to wear it completely bandeau, and I love this big tie at the back as well. It's just a really gorgeous flattering black bikini, and that comes with high-waisted bottoms. I don't think I've got anything like this, so I'm really excited about it. Really gorgeous high-waisted bottoms in a really dark jet black, so it'll be really flattering on the figure. I know that the model looked insane in this swimsuit. This is ultra pretty. Look how pretty the pink is. I just thought this would look adorable, especially if I wear my hair in like little space buns or something. It's gonna look so cute. This is actually from the Kendall and Kylie collection, which is so good. The lookbook that I looked at, there were so many Kendall and Kylie pieces in there and they are killing it. So this is the item that I love the most. It's frilly detail, the lace work down the front. It looks like it's got quite a flattering thong, like a thinner bum to this, which is something I prefer on my backside. And it's just that very kind of scuba-y material as always, so I think this is gonna look gorgeous on. I can't wait. Then we have the neon number. This colour is insane. Nice small bum, and that goes up, so it's kind of in like a high-waisted bottoms, and then that comes up into a very tiny bandeau top, and then up into a halter neck which crisscrosses over the back. Oh, and it also has this in the middle as well. It's got like one tie across the midriff as well. But this colour is insane. When I've got a tan, I'm going to put on my darkest tan for this trip. This is going to look awesome. Mustard number, because I'm loving mustard. I've kind of gone for a few different colours with here with this. This one is a very deep V-neck. Crosses over the back with this piece of material that will keep everything a little bit more closer together. It's not going to fall off of your shoulders. This comes around the side and then again into quite a tiny little bum. So it should be really quite flattering, and I think this colour is going to look great again, especially with a bit of a tan. Another bikini. I loved this when I saw it on the model. I thought she looked insane. I love this little slit here. I just think when that's on, it's going to look quite sweet, and it has these little frills just on the straps here. I have another bikini look like this and I love it. It always makes me feel a bit like a little unicorn with these little wings. And then it just comes around the back with a double strap. But I really like that colour combo. It's like a caramel and white. And then that just comes with matching teeny weeny little bottoms, again with frills. So this should be uber flattering if I am feeling my body that day. So fingers crossed. There's a lot of swimwear, guys, I told you. Another, this is so cute. Oh, sorry, this way around. Look how pretty. Little polka dot number. It's got the tie at the front, a little bit of a larger bum. Well, it's a little bit thongy, I guess. But a big, deep V-neck back. So it's a really open back. And then this will just tie over the bust, and I think that's going to be really flattering and so pretty. And the last piece, I unfortunately, oh yeah, the bottoms to this weren't in my size unfortunately, but I still love this top. How cute is this bikini top? I only have small boobs, so this looks like it'll fit me pretty well. This is the extra small. yeah, just a shame about the bottoms, but maybe Revolve might have some pieces when we get there that I can hopefully pick up too and wear with this. But if you can get this in your size, I think it's beautiful and the quality feels like amazing. Okay, moving on into outfits. This black bodysuit is so sexy. This is by NBD, which, if you may know, the NBD line is always very sexy and gorgeous, like very bodycon and very flattering pieces. This is a black bodysuit. It's got cutouts. It's these straps around the side. I love this big zip up the back. It just makes it a little bit more evening appropriate, a bit, again, a little bit more sexy, and it's just got a round neck, so super easy to wear. Thought that would look great paired with, things are tangled, things are tangled, things are tangled. Paired with, these are NBD and Naven as well. Paired with these trousers, drawstring, very lightweight, straight leg trousers. But these, just imagine these with some nude high heels or some dark red high heels or even black high heels. They'll just look so cool. It's very like off-duty, chic, a bit street. I think they're so cool. I love them, I love them. They're almost like a tangerine orangey red. I like that colour. Okay, next outfit, probably going to be around these shorts. I literally love Girlfriend denim. It's probably one of my absolute favourite denim brands now. Pretty sure that Selfridges stocks it. These are the Cindy shorts. They're just a very easy pair of denim shorts, cut-offs. Buttons down the front, which sometimes annoys me, but then again, I do often find sometimes the best shorts have buttons, I don't know why. Lots of cutouts here, fraying, and yeah, just a great pair of easy denim shorts. And I thought I'd style that with another bodysuit. Revolve do some more, honestly, if you're looking for bodysuits, you cannot go wrong with Revolve. They always make me feel amazing. So round neck, orange bodysuit, and this has one hell of a thong bum. Like the model in this look just wow. I was like, okay, I'd like to look like that. It's meant to be like a high leg body. So it's gonna look a little bit sexier because you'll probably be able to see some skin, but that's the kind of vibe I'm going for on this Bermuda trip. It's a little sexier and cute and holiday vibes. Okay, right, I've got a couple of dresses that I want to show you that I'm pretty excited about. Look at the colour of this dress. It's like a real royal blue. This is gonna look so fire, I think, when I've got this on. I think I've been watching too much Love Island. Round neck, down and round. Oh, I love this. Look at this colour. I'm gonna put on so much bronzer with this dress and a real nude lip. And then it's just down into a little mini skirt at the bottom. Okay. Like this at the bottom, and then at the back it's just got like a bandeau. A few people are like, why do you say bandeau? That's just how I say it. Bandeau at the back like this. So I just think this is going to look really flattering and really gorgeous, and this colour is fantastic. I've got another super outfit as well for the evenings. Look at this jumpsuit, beautiful bustier neckline, straight into some straight leg trousers. It's almost a cherry red this. I'm going to wear it probably with a cherry red lip as well. Maybe I might quite like it with my hair like this actually, something like this. It does also come with straps. Yeah, I'll probably wear it straps, otherwise it will probably fall down on my tiny boobs. And it also has pockets. Winner, winner, winner. So I'm really excited about this one. I think that is just the most beautiful colour. It'll look amazing in the evenings. I got one jacket because I feel like Bermuda's going to be absolutely boiling. I won't need one, but any lighter nights or a night where I want to just chill outside for a bit longer, I don't know. I thought I'd pick up this denim, and look how cool this is. I've not seen a denim jacket like this with a completely cut off bottom with full fraying. Lots of distress work up the buttons here. Pockets, are they real pockets? Yeah, real pockets. Again, lots of fraying around the top as well, so it just looks really quite cool. And on the model it looked quite boxy and fun the way she wore it. Yeah, super excited about that, but you never know, I might need a jacket at some point. This, again, this is another incredible evening outfit that I'm very excited about. And it's yellow, well it's actually a gold. This is a real gold outfit this time. Again, halter neck style at the top, going down into a V-neck wrap, and then into quite lovely wide leg trousers. Sorry, everything's getting a little bit funny here. This band around the middle just to cinch you all in and make it into a little ribbon as well. Oh, look at that colour. That is just insane. Look. I feel like Esmeralda. Not Esmeralda. I feel like Belle from Beauty and the Beast in this, the colour of this. But again, I thought Bermuda night, stick an incredible pair of shoes on. What colour shoes would I wear with this? Maybe a dark red. I'll probably put with this. Probably maybe like a lovely beige or a nude would go well as well. For the daytime, I thought this was adorable. Wait a minute, I just need to tie it up a little bit. I just thought in case we're going out in the day or doing anything where I need to be wearing a little more than a bathing suit, this, oh, it's so pretty. I love this, look at this. Jumpsuit, little tiny sleeves. It ties around the front over your bust and then quite wide, lovely legs. But just imagine this on holiday with some cute little, again, like white wedges with this. I love that neckline. That's gonna be gorgeous. And two last pieces. Now this, unfortunately, I couldn't get the matching top because it was out of stock. I'm so gutted because this comes with the most perfect cropped matching top, like very boxy fit, and it's beautiful. So if you can get the whole set, then I would recommend it because this is beautiful. Like the colours, it's orange, pinks, whites and blue threading going through here in the knit. This is like a skirt. A skirt. I might put this with the black bodysuit and it'll look really cute. Maybe the black bodysuit and then the denim jacket. Cool outfit, I really like that. And the very, very last piece is this little top. Now it's, obviously this pulls across you a lot more, it's just the way it's been left at the bag. But how pretty is this in little stars? Again, this will go perfectly with little denim shorts with some beige wedges, like brown wedges would be so cute. I think I'm going for like 4 or 5 days. I've got 6 bathing suits. I've got like 3 or 4 really like evening appropriate outfits and I've got a couple for the day. So I think I'm good. I think I'm good. And I'm so grateful to Revolve. First of all, for inviting me on this trip of a lifetime once again. And also for sending me so many beautiful clothes to wear. I really hope you enjoyed this, guys. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @InTheFro. All of these pieces will be on there in next week when I go on my Revolve trip. So hopefully you see the pieces and you can let me know what you think when I'm wearing them. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you soon. Bye!